If you're watching this video, the question you're probably asking yourself is whether or not you should take this MS Word training from this guy. And the answer to your question is yes. Yes, you absolutely should. You should take your Microsoft Word training from me. And there's a couple of reasons why you should do it. First of all, there's a money-back guarantee. And if you don't like my course, you get your money back. So sign up for it. And if you don't like it, it's really easy to get your money back here on Udemy. So you got a money back guarantee, and that's the first reason you should take this course. The second reason is I've been teaching Microsoft Word for like over 14 years, since like 1998. And I'm really good at teaching Microsoft Word. I teach it at the community college. I've taught people of all ability levels. And I've been teaching it long enough to understand, you know, like how do people learn Microsoft Word most effectively? And what is the most effective way to teach people Microsoft Word? Like, what are the useful skills? So I'm not going to teach you a bunch of like isolated, you know, little techniques. I'm going to teach you the big picture, and I'm going to show you how to actually use it. My teaching philosophy is to keep everything very practical and applicable. So it's all going to be super practical and applicable. And let me show you what I mean. I'm going to teach you in the first part of the course how to create an amazing document. So we're just going to go through the steps to create an outstanding paper. And these are things that you'll be able to apply to any document you create. So regardless of whether or not you're writing a paper or a business report or a letter, the techniques that you learn for creating this document will be awesome. So I'm going to go to multiple page view. And you can see here we have a title page. We've centered things vertically and horizontally. We have an automatically generated table of contents. We have text, we've got pictures, we have formatted pictures, we have watermarks. We're using different styles here, and these different styles are super important because you can see right now that hypothesis is on page 2. Now if I take this text here and I highlight it and press Control-C or Command-C on the Mac, Command-C, Command-V, and I move hypothesis down onto page 3 now, you'll notice my table of contents still shows page 2. But I could come up here and I could choose to update this table. I'm going to update the entire table. And now my table of contents has updated to page 3 with hypothesis. So that's like, you know, knowing how to build table of contents automatically, knowing how to put in headers and footers, knowing how to put in page numbers down there on the bottom, knowing how to put the citations in, you know, and automatically create a bibliography and table of contents. This is just some of what you'll learn in this course. And let me show you a technique that probably nobody else, no other course on Udemy will teach you. But there's this really cool thing when you need to create text to work with in Microsoft Word. You could just type in this secret code right here. I've typed in equals rand 1414, and basically this says, hey, give me some random text, give me 14 paragraphs, and each paragraph have you know 14 sentences in it. I could have made this like here, I could have made that 5. Now let's take a look and see what happens. So I'm going to press enter, and there's my random text. It gave me 14 paragraphs. Each paragraph has 5 sentences in it. So, you know, I've been using Microsoft Word a really long time. I know how to teach it. I've been teaching it every semester for like over 14 years. You have a money-back guarantee. There's the money-back guarantee. And you're going to learn all this amazing, cool stuff that I've laid out here in the curriculum. So you can look through this list of all the different videos of things you're going to learn in this course. But when you put all of that together, money-back guarantee, I've been teaching it a real long time. You know, I figured out the best ways to teach it. I'm going to show you really practical and applicable hands-on skills for learning Microsoft Word. And you're going to learn all this amazing stuff right here. You know, I think those are all reasons those are the reasons I've come up with that I believe, hey, you should take this course from me. I do talk a little bit fast, and you could rewind the videos, of course, and watch them. But I've found also that giving people content and material fast is it keeps them alert, it keeps them on their toes, it keeps them engaged and interested. And so I do deliver content really quick, but you could go back and you could watch it again. And so that's just another technique that I've learned when it comes to teaching that actually helps students learn, is to be like, hey, ooh, take a look, and go pretty fast. So those are my reasons for pitching my course to you, and I hope you take it. And the last thing I want to say to you is this is really for the benefit of all of mankind. All of mankind. Anytime anybody improves their life and goes out and educates themselves, right, makes themselves more educated, they are eradicating ignorance from the world. When you educate yourself, you're eradicating ignorance from the world. And anytime you eradicate ignorance from the world or lessen the ignorance in the world, you're making the world a better place. Gandhi said, you have to be the change you want to see in the world. And change starts with the individual. And so anybody who wants to take this course, you can take this course for free. If you don't have the money to pay for this class, just go up and send me a little message and say, hey, Todd, I'd really love to take your course. Can you please give me free access? I'm living in a country where I don't have a great income, or it's really expensive because of the currency differences, or I'm just trying to educate myself now and I don't have a job, but I want to get a job. Whatever your situation might be, just send me a message saying, hey, I'd like free access, and you got it. I'll give you free access, no big deal. And of course, if you can pay for it, that'd be fantastic, because of course I need to put food on the table for my family also. All right, so thanks very much for considering this course, and I hope you choose it. And give it a try. And if you don't like it, there's always the money back guarantee, but I think you're going to like it. I'm glad you're here. Let's get started.